Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got the SwitchBot Smart Humidifier. Works with a SwitchBot ecosystem. Together we're gonna find out the settings and the best options to our needs and enjoy a lovely and quiet atmosphere to our place. Well, let's open to see what we have inside. Of course, inside we're gonna find out the manual. We've got the power cable. It is a 24 volt, 1 amp, 24 watt UK adapter, but we need the Euro adapter. Slide here, locks, and it is okay. Cable, it is about 1 meter. It is a good length. And of course we've got this filter and the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm going to find out all about this product. And next we've got the humidifier. Oh, nice! I like the design. SwitchBot. At the front we've got the indicator light and the touch button. Here we've got the essential oil tray. You can remove that. Inside we've got a sponge. You can put your essential oil inside. 2-3 drops, it is enough, and it will do the job. This is the tank. It is a large tank. It takes 3.5 liters water. SwitchBot humidifier can work up to 48 hours, releasing 220 ml mist per hour max. Quickly humidify your home to a comfortable environment. Here we've got the tank lid and the mist outlet. Take this out, insert the water. Here we've got the rubber. And we've got the 360 degrees rotating nozzle. Rotate where you want the mist to go. The noise, it is lower than 36 decibel. It has an auto mode and auto shutdown. And of course it works with the SwitchBot family. The humidifier will work with a meter, SwitchBot hub device required. You can check down below to the description. You can find all the videos and you can check the other products from SwitchBot. You may like something and just buy it. Download the SwitchBot app from the Google App Store or the iOS Store, and by just creating a scene from the app, when the humidity change on the SwitchBot meter, the humidifier will run automatically. Of course, I will show you all this process, how you can do it. And it has a high spray mist, about 50 centimeters. And of course, you can control it by voice from Alexa, Google Assistant, Nest Products, and Apple HomePod. And cleaning this unit was never before more easy. Simple for regular cleaning with a ceramic cleaning filter that can absorb impurities in the water. The humidifier can ensure that the mist is clean and good for health. Your hand, it can go inside and clean with a glove. Now for the first use, we need to take the humidification filter, put it under the water for a half minute and install it. There it is. Now for our convenience, we can take all this unit out and go to the water supply and fill it with water. But first we need to install the humidification filter. It is very easy. It will go in this position, as you can see. And from down here we can see we've got in this system how it's working, and the unit here, how it looks inside. And let's fill it with water. And there we are. Ooh, too much water. Insert it here. Connect it to the power. Here it is the connection. Install the lid. Power it on. We can install, of course, and the oil essential. Let's put some oil. Turn on the SwitchBot app, add the device, and there is the humidifier. Long press the on button for 2 seconds until the light indicator starts flickering. Okay. Okay, it's flickering. Next. Ooh, already start take out the mist. Connected to our network, 2.4 GHz.
And then Humidifier 62 from the SwitchBot Smart Skill. To control it, say, turn on Humidifier 62.
Okay, Alexa, thank you. Okay. Of course, we can rename the device. And there it is. We can switch it off, on. We can choose the levels, auto, off, second speed, third speed, and first. More, atomization efficient 34%. Let's put it on maximum. Oh yeah, I can see the mist. Oh, it is amazing. And you can rotate, of course, this. I like it. Ooh. Nice. And as you can see, the LED button is color coded. The red, it is in high mode. White, it is in auto mode. Off. Yellow, it is in low mode. And orange, it is in middle mode. We've got the light at the front off or on. Sound settings on or off. Delay, we can delay for auto, high, medium, low, off, remove delay, adjust the hour and the minutes. You can schedule the device, add a schedule, choose the hour, minutes, the day of the week, and the action. And of course, from the settings, advanced settings, you can choose the Wi-Fi network again, NFC, operating device, on or off. Let's choose on. Put your phone on the NFC tag, scan it, and the next time you don't need to open your SwitchBot app, just scan with your smartphone the NFC tag and it will turn on. Log firmware version, you can update this, factory reset and delete. And of course you can rename your humidifier, let's say living room humidifier. 3 is in 100%, 1 it is in 34%, 2 it is in 67%, and the 3 it is in 100%. Or you can choose auto. Nice, I like it. And it smells very well because it has to do with the essential oils. Choose the best for you, that it smell nicer to your home. Invite your friends, family, watch a movie, and you will have a humidity at your home. And of course you can create a scene, add a condition, living room meter. When the humidity it is higher than 50%, then add action, the living room humidifier. It will go, let's choose on 65% on auto level, or you can choose the speed humidity, 1, 2, or 3. Let's put it on auto and create. And there it is, the scene. And every time when the living room meter humidity it is higher than 50%, then the auto mode humidity will go to 65%. Or you can do the opposite. When it is lower than 55%, you can adjust everything at your needs. Valid period all day, choose the days of the week, or you can choose the start time and the end time. You can test, of course, or you can get a notification on or off. I like it. I like when a product it gives you so many options to adjust to your needs. Well guys, that was all about. I'm sure you will enjoy this product. If you need to buy it, you can check down below to the description. You will find a link. Just click it and you will find more information about this SwitchBot humidifier and more products from SwitchBot. They've got so many products, plenty of products. I'm sure you will find the right one. By the way, I have made videos about the SwitchBot curtain, SwitchBot humidifier and temperature, SwitchBot bot, SwitchBot solar panel. All that you can see down below in the description. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Just press the subscribe button. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.